Hello friends, my name is Ankush. Welcome to my channel Learn, Understand and Teach. Friends, today we will learn about Schottky diode. Here shows the basic introduction of Schottky diode. We all the topics covered today one by one. So friends, start. First topic is what is Schottky diode? Schottky diode is a device which comes under the type of a metal semiconductor junction diode. Barrier diode and low voltage diode are the other name for Schottky diode. When compared to a PN junction diode, power drop is lower in Schottky diode. A scientist named Walter S. Schottky first discovered Schottky diode. Generally, in a PN junction device, when positive type and negative type are joined together, they form a PN junction. However, in a Schottky diode, material like aluminium or platinum are used instead of P-type semiconductors. Next one is a symbol of Schottky diode. Here shows the image of symbol of Schottky diode. Here left side shows the anode and right side is called the cathode. Anode is a positive and cathode is a negative. Next one is working of Schottky diode. The most important physical parameter of this Schottky diode is their fast switching rate and less forward voltage drop. It is a metal semiconductor junction that does not have the capacity to store charges at their junction. The reason behind this is due to absence of depletion layer. Usually a voltage drop happens across the diode terminal when current flows through a diode. Schottky diode voltage drop is usually between 0.15 and 0.1445 volts when compared to a normal diode. A normal PN junction diode has a voltage drop ranging between 0.6 to 1.7 volts. For better efficiency and output, voltage drop should be low. When manufacturing the diode, N-type semiconductor acts as a cathode and metal side acts as an anode of the diode. When voltage is given to the diode, the current flows in the forward direction. When this current flows through the diode, there will be a minimum voltage loss across the terminal of the diode. This loss of voltage is called as a voltage drop. Next one is a construction of Schottky diode. It is made of a metal and semiconductor forming unilateral junction. Few metals like gold, silver, molybdenum, tungsten or platinum are utilized. Usually an N-type semiconductor which includes gallium is used. Silicon is used for low frequency operation. Schottky diode is related directly with temperature dropping. In N-type semiconductor, decrease and increase of temperature doping concentration happens. Between the semiconductor's metal junction, a depletion layer is formed known as a Schottky barrier. The barrier is called as a potential energy barrier. Two barriers of Schottky barriers are rectifying and non-rectifying type. When a metal and lightly doped semiconductor meets each other, the Schottky barrier is formed. Sequentially, when a metal encounters the heavily doped semiconductor, it forms a non-rectifying barrier. The width of depletion layer rises when the semiconductor doping increases. At the same time, when width decreases, charges carrier travel through tunnel and reaches the depletion layer. When doping level increases, the junction does not act as a rectifier and it becomes ohmic contact. Under unbiased condition, electrons accumulated on the semiconductor side will have a lower energy level than electrons present on the metal region. Due to this reason, electron cannot flow across this Schottky barrier. Under forward bias condition, an electron present in the N side receive more energy to cross the junction barrier and enter into the metal. Due to this, electrons are called as hot carrier. Hence, diode is called as a hot carrier diode. Next one is a speciality of Schottky diode. Due to the absence of the current flow from metal to N-type semiconductor, it acts as a unipolar device, whereas a PN junction diode is a bipolar device. The metal does not have any holes, it does not store any charge. Due to this reason, Schottky diode has the advantages to quickly switch with relatively low noise. It has a low barrier potential compared to PN junction diode. Next topic is operation of Schottky diode. First is unbiased, unbiased Schottky diode. The free electrons present inside the N-type semiconductor will move from N-type semiconductor to a metal during the combination between metal and N-type semiconductor. This results in production of equilibrium state. When free electrons moves across the junction, it provides an extra electron to the atom present in the atom. Due to this, atoms present in the metal junction receive an extra electron. The atoms at the negative side junction lose electron and become positive ions. On the metal junction, atoms will gain extra electrons and tries to become negative ions. Hence, this will result in production of positive ions at negative side and negative ions on the positive side at the metal junction. Depletion region will be formed when this positive and negative ions comes together. In biased Schottky diode, only less number of electrons will flow from semiconductor to metal. Other electron flow is stopped due to the built-in voltage. Okay. Next one is a forward bias Schottky diode. In the N-type semiconductor, when positive terminal of the battery is connected to metal and negative terminal is connected to N-type conductor, it is called as forward bias Schottky diode. On the diode, when forward bias voltage is applied, more electrons are formed in the metal and conductor. When a voltage greater than 0.2 volts are applied, free electrons cannot move through the junction barrier. Due to this, current will flow through diode. When voltage value increases, depletion region become thin and disappear. Okay. Next one is reverse bias Schottky diode. In the N-type semiconductor, if the negative terminal of the battery is coupled to metal and positive terminal is connected to N-type conductor, it is called as reverse bias Schottky diode. At the same time, if a reverse bias voltage is applied, the width of depletion region increases. Therefore, the current flow stops in the metal plate. There will be more number of excited electrons. Due to this, there will be flow of small amount of leakage current when reverse bias voltage increases further. Current also increases due to weak barrier. When abnormal increases in bias voltage takes place, electric current also increases suddenly. A device will be damaged when the depletion region breaks down. Next topic is VI characteristics of Schottky barrier diode. The VI characteristics of Schottky diode is shown in the figure below. Along the graph, the vertical line signifies the current flow and the horizontal line denotes the voltage applied across the Schottky diode. The VI characteristics of Schottky diode is almost similar to the PN junction diode. Nevertheless, the forward voltage drop of Schottky diode is very low when compared to the PN junction diode. The forward voltage drop ranges from 0.3 volts to 0.5 volts. The barrier of forward voltage drop is made of silicon. The forward voltage drop is proportional to the dropping concentration of N-type semiconductor. Due to high concentration of current carriers, the VI characteristics of Schottky diode is steeper. Next one is application of Schottky diode. Schottky diode are used in electronics industry for many applications in diode rectifier because of its properties. They are used for voltage clamping applications to prevent transistor saturation. It is used as Schottky TTL in digital devices as this device require fast switching, as the performance of digital computers is determined by switching speed of diodes. Schottky diode is used an important component for digital computers. Okay friend, this is for Schottky diode. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share your friends. Today we will stop this lesson. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.